children, how are you? Today we shall start with new topic, that is linear equations in one variable. Now there are few examples in front of you. First example is 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 5x minus 5 is equal to 3. 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 8. 8y minus 4 is equal to 4y plus 2, and then 3z is equal to 10. They all are the examples of linear equations in one variables. Just go through it, all the examples. Next slide. Now, what is an equation? What is a linear equation in one variable? An equation is a statement of equality with symbols of equal to. It has two sides. One is left hand side, and in short form we write LHS and everything is in capital. And the other is right hand side, that is RHS, again all alphabets in capital. Just take an example, 3x minus 4 is equal to 8. In this linear equation, which is in one variable, left hand side is 3x minus 4 and right hand side is 8. Kindly go through the slide once again. Now, in these given equations, you have to write at your own what is LHS and what is RHS. I am giving you an example. In example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 3x plus 3 is LHS and 5 is RHS. Instruction is like this. You have to do the rest of the above mentioned equations. I hope I am clear to you. This portion, the equality, the other side of equality, this is left hand side, and 5 is on the right hand side, which is on the other side of symbol of equality. Kindly go through the slide once again carefully. Now 5x minus 5 is equal to 3. 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 8, and 5x minus 5 is equal to 3. They all are the examples of linear equation in one variable. Now the question is, why do we say them a linear equation and why do we say them one variable? The answer is very simple. What is the power of x in first equation? Of course 1. What is the power of x in second equation? Again it is 1. So it is a linear equation. Now go back. 5x minus 5 is equal to 3. How many variables it has? It has only one variable. Although in second equation there are x is occurring 2 times, but the variable is same, that is x. So 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 8. Although x is in LHS and RHS, but variable is same, that is x. So it is a linear equation in one variable. One thing which you have to always keep in mind, linear means the highest degree or the power of variable should be 1, and one variable except x, there is no other variable in this equation. Kindly go through both the cases once again. Now the question is how to solve linear equation. First example is 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Transposing 5 on the other side. Whenever we are changing the side, we have to change the sign. As 5 I have taken on the other side, so it will become 2x is equal to 3 minus 5. What is 3 minus 5? Of course it is minus 2. So 2x is equal to minus 2. Now transposing 2 on the other side, this 2 which is along with x, I have to transpose it on the other side. As I have already told you, whenever you are changing the side, you have to change the sign. Opposite of multiplication is division, so x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1. As 2 is multiplied by x on LHS, so on the other side it will be divided. So the final answer for x is equal to minus 1. How we have got? Let us start from the beginning. First step, take 5 on the other side. As we are adding 5 on left hand side, so automatically 5 will be subtracted from 3 on right hand side. We will get 2x is equal to minus 2. Now 2 is along with x, we are multiplying x by 2. So automatically on right hand side it will become division, minus 2 divided by 2 we all know that is equal to minus 1. Value of x is minus 1. Now we have to check whether this answer is correct or not. How can we check? Let us move to the next slide. Before that, just recall all the rules for solving a linear equation. Change the side, change the sign. Always keep this thing in mind. Opposite of addition is subtraction, and opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of multiplication is division, and opposite of division is multiplication. Kindly read all these rules for solving a linear equation carefully, and if you forget, then again you can move to this slide. Let us move to the next slide. Verification of solution. In previous slide we have calculated value of x as minus 1. Let us check whether we have found the correct value of x or not. Let us start from LHS. What is LHS? 2x plus 5. Wherever x is, kindly substitute it by minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus 5. 2 into minus 1 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 is how much? 3. And what is our RHS? 3. We started from LHS and we reached at RHS. As LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. The solution which we have calculated for 2x plus 5 is equal to 3 is minus 1 is correct. Now the most important thing which you have to keep in mind, the linear equation in one variable has only one and unique solution. No other value from real number, from natural number, from rational number can satisfy this equation. You can try it also. Just move to the next slide. Now these are the questions which you have to solve at your own, and you have to verify the answers also. This is the task which you have to do, and after completing these 5 examples, you have to do exercise 2.1, all the questions from question number 1 to 10. Thank you so much and have a nice day.